We often hear that war only brings destruction. Many experts have also tried to explain India's military conflict with Pakistan could significantly harm its economy. But what if I told you the reality is quite different? What if I told you that Operation Sindoor, carried out by India, actually gave a massive boost of 1.8 lakh crore rupees to the Indian defense industry? In this video, we'll talk about how India is rapidly advancing in the defense sector and how Operation Sindoor gave it a phenomenal push forward. During the conflict, the BrahMos missile broke through Pakistan's advanced air defenses to strike strategic air bases. India also successfully intercepted and neutralized Chinese PL-15 missiles used by Pakistan. It was proof that Indian defense systems could outperform Chinese-made weapons. For decades, India struggled to sell defense equipment internationally. One major reason, we couldn't prove our systems had been tested in real combat. That changed with Operation Sindoor. During the conflict, India's integrated air defense systems were put to the test. Akash missiles intercepted enemy drones and jets, L-70 guns defended low-altitude airspace. This growth wasn't accidental. It was built on years of reform. Streamlined procurement and faster export clearances, R&D investments under Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative, better coordination between DPSUs and private firms, a thriving startup and MSME ecosystem. Together, these efforts enabled India to not just build defense systems but to validate them in real combat during Operation Sindoor. In the last decade, India's defense sector has undergone a silent revolution. The Ministry of Defense reports a 34-fold increase in defense exports, from just 686 crore rupees in 2013-14 to 23,622 crore rupees in 2024-25. India has moved from being a modest assembler of components to a globally competitive manufacturer of advanced weapon systems. And this transformation isn't just driven by the public sector. Nearly 100 private companies now contribute over 60% of these exports. It's the outcome of Make in India, consistent policy support, and the confidence gained through real combat testing. So, what is India exporting today? Here are some highlights. BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles, artillery guns, Dornier 228 aircraft, Akash surface-to-air missiles, Pinaka rocket systems, Tejas light combat aircraft, naval vessels, radars, bulletproof jackets, and even drones. This range shows that India isn't just exporting one or two items, we are offering full-spectrum defense solutions. Today, over 85 countries use Indian-made defense products, and the number is steadily growing. The US and France import components and subsystems. Armenia has become a major buyer, purchasing artillery, radar, Akash air defense, and more. The Philippines bought BrahMos missile batteries, which was a landmark deal. And many countries in Africa, Southeast Asia, and Latin America are showing interest, especially those looking for affordable but effective alternatives to US, Russian, or Chinese systems. This boom in defense exports has wide benefits. It boosts foreign exchange and macroeconomic stability, creates thousands of skilled jobs across the country, fuels innovation in areas like AI, command systems, and radar, deepens diplomatic ties. Defense is now part of India's foreign policy toolkit. India is now aiming for defense exports worth $6 billion by 2029. That's over 50,000 crore rupees in today's terms. Still, India has miles to go. Global defense exports are dominated by decades-old networks, the US, Russia, France. They have deeper diplomatic roots and larger marketing machines. To compete, India must actively promote its systems, highlighting not just low cost, but modularity, battlefield success, and rapid customization. Operation Sindoor gave Indian systems the battlefield credibility they needed. Now, we must build on it. Key systems like Akash, BrahMos NG, Pinaka, LCH Prachand, and ATAGS must be promoted as reliable and cost-effective. Next generation innovation will be key, especially in AI, cyber warfare, and autonomous systems. The path forward is clear. India must become not just self-reliant, but globally competitive.